Can ancient Indian mathematics provide solutions to today's world problems? I believe it can. And this belief is guided my journey as a teacher, researcher, and innovator. My mission has been to connect Indian knowledge system and ancient Indian mathematics with modern science and technology, making learning more meaningful and accessible for every student. With this, Namaskar. I am Pragati Jain, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government College, Indore. For more than 25 years, I have believed that education is not simply teaching a subject. It is about developing their logical skills, values, and creativity. I don't teach students to remember formulas. I teach them to understand how mathematical ideas were conceived and how they helped in the development of human society. Once they understand the process, they will gain confidence while solving new problems. With this vision, I have integrated IKS into teaching, research, and curriculum development. As a member of the Central Board of Studies, I have contributed to curriculum development under NEP 2020. I also developed CR Logic, a GPT-based learning initiative inspired by the Indian principle of Syadvad, showing how Indian philosophy can contribute to responsible AI. I developed e-content modules, digital learning resources, and an educational blog that support students anytime, anywhere. Teaching in a tribal region transformed my perspective as an educator. Many students had limited access to smartphones and internet. These challenges motivated me to adopt simple teaching methods, provide remedial mentoring, and ensure that no student was left behind because of lack of resources. Presenting my research at the Asian Mathematical Conference in Malaysia and later receiving the Best Paper Award at London Metropolitan University for my AI model based on Syadvad logic among participants from more than 40 countries strengthened my belief that IKS have global relevance. Beyond academics, I have contributed through NSS, youth development programs, and social writings because I believe a teacher's responsibility extends beyond the classroom. At the end of my journey, I don't wish to be remembered for the number of books I wrote, for the patents, the papers I published, or the awards I received. I wish to be remembered as a teacher who inspired students to think logically and use their knowledge to serve society. If my students become good human beings before they become successful professionals, I will consider my journey as a teacher truly successful. Thank you.